everyone! In our previous lecture, we examined the growing backlash against globalization and its potential consequences. Today, we will shift our focus to one of the most significant developments in the global economy in recent decades, the rise of China. China's economic miracle. China's economic transformation over the past 4 decades has been nothing short of extraordinary. Once a closed, centrally planned economy, China has become the world's second-largest economy and a major trading partner for countries around the globe. This remarkable growth has been fueled by several factors. Economic reforms. Starting in the late 1970s, China embarked on a series of economic reforms that opened up its economy to foreign trade and investment. These reforms unleashed the power of market forces and entrepreneurship, leading to a surge in productivity and economic growth. Abundant labor force. China's vast population provided a large and relatively cheap labor force, making it an attractive destination for manufacturing and other labor-intensive industries. Government policies. The Chinese government played a crucial role in supporting economic development through investments in infrastructure, education, and technology, as well as targeted industrial policies aimed at promoting specific sectors. Global integration. China's accession to the World Trade Organization in 2001 further accelerated its integration into the global economy, providing access to new markets and investment opportunities. China's impact on the global economy. China's rise has had a profound impact on the global economic order. Here are some of the key ways in which China is reshaping the global economy. Trade. China is now the world's largest exporter and second-largest importer. Its insatiable demand for raw materials and energy has driven up commodity prices, while its vast manufacturing capacity has made it the world's factory. Investment. China has become a major source of outward foreign direct investment, investing in infrastructure, energy, and other sectors around the world. It is also increasingly attracting foreign investment into its own economy. Finance. China's growing economic clout has led to increased calls for a greater role in international financial institutions like the IMF and the World Bank. China has also launched its own initiatives such as the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank to provide alternative sources of financing for development projects. Geopolitics. China's rise has challenged the traditional dominance of the United States in the global economic order, leading to increased competition and tension between the two superpowers. Challenges and opportunities. China's rise presents both challenges and opportunities for the rest of the world. Challenges. China's economic model, with its emphasis on state intervention and limited political freedoms, raises concerns about fair competition and human rights. Its rapid industrialization has also contributed to environmental degradation and climate change. Opportunities. China's growing market offers vast opportunities for businesses around the world. Its investments in infrastructure and technology could help boost global economic growth. The future of China's rise. China's economic ascent is not without its challenges. It faces a slowing economy, rising debt levels, and an aging population. However, it remains a formidable economic power with the potential to reshape the global economic landscape for years to come. Understanding China's rise and its implications is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and individuals around the world. It is a complex and dynamic phenomenon that will continue to shape the global economy and geopolitics in the 21st century.